Hello my viewers, welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time without doing any craft videos. So today I'm back with a craft video. Hope you enjoy it. Here comes our caterpillar. Oh, it's definitely walking slowly. Bye bye caterpillar. I hope you all know that today we are making a caterpillar. Materials needed for this craft: a green origami paper, the head of our caterpillar with the antenna so you don't have to paste it, glue, a scale, a pencil cutter, a paper cutter. I said pencil cutter because we did a pencil before the paper cutter. And 2 sticks to make that caterpillar move. Let's keep everything aside and including this thing and take our green origami paper. We have to mark 1 centimeter with the scale and pencil. And here we need to mark 3 centimeters. Okay. This origami paper is 15 centimeters long. I'm gonna mark every 1 centimeter using these dots. Like this. Now I'm going to connect the dots from this side to this side. Like this. Now we have to cut these lines with the paper cutter. We are done. Now you can see that the paper kind of goes like this. We're done playing your song. Then put the scale and bend this portion. Now we'll do the same for the other side. There we go. Now your thing kind of looks like this. Next, we should attach this and this side together, like this. We have to add glue here and then attach it like this. This side is so tiny. Now use your finger to blend here so it can make it even fat. Now you go back. Now we got this jiggly wiggly thing. Next we have to draw the face. Any face you want. I'll make a smiley face. This is my face. Tell me in the comments on how your face looks. There here from the 3 centimeter and the thin part here from the 1 centimeter. We need to attach the face on the thick part. We need glue. Okay. Here's our happy caterpillar. I like it so much. You have to wait for some time so it will dry. Now we'll make our caterpillar move. Take your stick and first poke it through the big hole. And then do it for the smaller one. And make sure to use the pokey part before this part. Now you got the 2 sticks in. Let me show you why you need the 2 sticks. Look, now your caterpillar can move. You can use these sticks to move the caterpillar. Cool, right? And the face can be anything you want. Angry, sad, happy. I like happy. Look at this. On this caterpillar, the face is different, while on my caterpillar, it's also different. It's much more fun when it's different, so you can do it any way you want. Now we can play with our caterpillars. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you want to see more videos, just like, share and subscribe. See you in another video.